Hey, how you doing? So possibly you've heard about the Halley Bank and the Marcus Goldman Sachs financial institution also, and you're wondering which one is the best between these two institutions. That is what we're going to be discussing about this because we want to know the best high yield savings between these two institutions. Let's talk about the Halley Bank and the Marcus Goldman Sachs. Now, the Halley Bank is a subsidiary of Ali Financial and is a digital bank offering various financial services, including a high yield savings account known for its user-friendly interface and also a competitive interest rate. Now, Harley's high yield savings account is particularly popular among those who are seeking an online only banking experience. And the key features include no monthly maintenance fee, all right, and also no minimum balance requirement, and a notable buckets feature that allows users to organize their savings into different categories for specific goals. And on the other hand, we have the Marcus Goldman Sachs, and Marcus by Goldman Sachs is another leading provider of high yield savings account, which is backed by the financial powerhouse of Goldman Sachs. And like Ali, Marcus offers competitive interest rates, and no monthly maintenance fee. All right, and the platform is praised for its simplicity and efficiency, making it easy for users to manage their savings account online. All right, and Marcus is often chosen for its high APY rates and occasional sign-up bonuses for new customers. Now, after this, let's talk now about the key differences between Ali and the Marcus high yield savings account. Now, the first one right here is the interest rate. Now, with the Ali, the interest rate is competitive and regularly updated. Currently, it's around 1.85% APY. All right. And at the other end, we have Marcus, and it offers slightly higher interest rate, sometimes enhanced by promotional bonuses. Example is 5.50% for the first 3 months with referrals. Okay. And in this, I think the best is Marcus because it typically has a higher promotional rates. All right. And at the other hand, we have Marcus, which offers slightly has higher interest rate. Okay. And sometimes enhanced by promotional bonuses. Example, the 4.40% APY. Okay, so you get 4.40% APY with the Marcus. Okay, so it's kind of still much higher than that of Ali. So right here, the best here is Marcus because it has a higher promotional fees. All right, talking about the user interface and experience, which is the UI UX. Well, the Ali Bank is renowned for a user-friendly and feature-rich interface, okay, including the bucket features, all right, and that of the Marcus, it's simple and clean, okay, interface, and but some users will find it less intuitive compared to Ali, okay. So when it comes to this, I'm gonna go for Ali because it has a more comprehensive and easy to navigate user interfaces. You can see right here, it looks very much sleek. All right, now let's talk about the savings bucket, okay, because when it comes to Ali, they offer a bucket features that allows users to categorize their savings into different goals within one account. And when it comes to Marcus, they do not offer a similar feature. Okay, so with these, when it comes to the savings bucket, I'm gonna say Ali is the best for its savings bucket. All right, and another point I'm gonna talk about here is the customer service, which is very important. So Ali is highly rated for responsive and helpful customer service. Okay, and when it comes to Marcus, they are generally positive reviews, but there are some less praised than Harley. Okay, so Harley still has more consistent, excellent customer service to that of Marcus. All right, so Ali is still the best that I'm gonna choose here. Let's talk about promotional offers because Ali, they really offer sign up bonuses or promotion. Okay, but when it comes to Marcus, they frequently offer sign up bonuses and promotional APYs for new customers. So in case you're able to promote them, you get more increase in your APY. All right, so Marcus is still the best here for attractive promotional offer. All right, talking about direct deposit, Marcus allows direct deposit. I've also seen some users also report they have no issue using it with for primary deposit. While when it comes to Ali, yeah, you as a user, you can direct deposit into multiple accounts. Okay, but I've seen several people say they prefer to deposit into a checking account and transfer funds. So in this aspect, I'm still going to say Marcus is best for fewer restrictions and direct deposits. All right, now let's talk about the withdrawal limit. Ali historically enforces the 6 withdrawal per month limit. Okay, but they are more lenient recently. All right, so but Marcus, they do not enforce for withdrawal limit. So When it comes to the aspects of withdrawal limit, I'm still gonna go with Marcos because they have no withdrawal limit. Mobile app functionality is another point I want to talk about. When it comes to Harley, they offer a highly functional mobile application with robust feature. Okay, and for Marcos, the app is functional, but consider less feature rich than Harley. So in this aspect, I'm still gonna go for Harley as the one with more advanced mobile app feature. All right. Now let's talk about the external account linking. When it comes to this, Ali allows linking multiple external accounts easily. Okay, you can link several other multiple accounts. All right. But Marcos, they have limitations to linking up to 4 external accounts. So in this aspect, I think Ali is still the best for more flexibility in external account linking. Let's talk about some additional financial products. With Marcos, they focus primarily on savings accounts, okay, and personal loans, as you know, right? But when it comes to Ali, they offer a broader range of financial products, including, checking accounts, loans, and investment accounts, and several others. So when it still comes to this aspect of additional financial products, I'm still gonna go for Ali for more comprehensive financial services. Talking about physical cash deposits, Ali does not offer or accept physical cash deposits. Same also as Marcos, they also do not offer physical cash deposits. So in this aspect, it's a tie between both because as neither of them accepts cash deposit. All right. Now let's talk about check deposit. With Ali, they offer a variety of certificates of deposit. All right, options including a no penalty certificate of deposit. So Marcos also offers competitive CD or certificate of deposit option through fewer variations. Okay, but the best here is still Harley because it has a wider range of certificate of deposit options. Okay, and FDIC insurance, as you know, Ali is they have standard FDIC insurance of up to $250,000 per depositor and per institution, and also Marcos also has the FDIC insurance covered as that of Harley. So the best here, it's a tie because as both offer standard FDIC insurance, as you can see right there, member FDIC. All right. So talking about the last year, which I'm going to be saying is the customer base and longevity. Now, the Ali, they have they have been in the digital banking space longer, okay, and they also have a customer base. All right, why Marcos, they are newer. All right, Marcos and is newer, but they are also growing, okay, rapidly due to Goldman Sachs backing. All right, so yeah, you can see the backing is there. All right, right there, I'm still gonna say it depends. Okay, sometimes it's not about longevity, but based on longevity and customer base, we might want to go for Harley. All right, now that is all, and now let me talk about the what I think my final recommendation. Whereas which one do you think I will go for? I wouldn't say you should let me know in the comment box because we don't have time. This is just a recording version and not a live call. So my best here is the Harley Bank, and there are several reasons why I go for Harley. The first one is the user-friendly interface, okay, and with Harley's comprehensive and intuitive UI UX, especially the buckets feature, it kind of makes it easier for users to manage and organize their savings goals effectively. And also another reason is the customer service. Based on experience and also from research, Alice customer service is consistent, okay, and they receive high marks for responsive and helpful customer service. So it makes it a reliable choice to me, okay, in case of support, right? And the mobile app functionality is also highly functional and feature rich, okay. So they provide users with robust tools for managing their accounts on the go. Talking about the financial product range, Ali also offers a wider range of financial products beyond savings accounts, so including checking accounts, loans, and investment options, which provides more flexibility for users. And talking about the last one, the reason is the check deposit convenience, because the ability to deposit checks via mobile app adds a significant convenience for users who might want to need to deposit checks occasionally. So in conclusion, I think why both Ali and Marcos, they offer great and competitive high yield saving accounts. I still think the Ali stands out, okay, for its superior user experience, all right, customer service and additional features, all right. So these advantages, they kind of make it the overall best for me choice especially for people like me who are looking to open a high yield savings account, or people like you also who are looking for that. Now, let me know your thoughts if you think Marcus is still the best to you based on the points I've listed or based on your own experience. You can also let us know in the comment box. I'm certain we are all here to learn. Nobody's an expert. This is just me telling you what I know. So you also can open up on what you know in the comment box, and certain several people will be able to learn from you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Possibly it helps other people to also make the best decision when they watch this video. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you in the next video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.